Minds Online School. Now we are going to learn about third question of exercise 14.4 for State Board, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh student, as well as the remaining boards of India and abroad also. This is to draw a more than type ogive when the distribution is given and the table is given like this. The question follows. The following table gives production yield per hectare of wheat of 100 pounds of a village. That is, production yield has to be taken as class interval and frequency they have given. Per hectare or per quintal it is 50 to 55 to 55 to 60. This is 8, 60 to 65, 12, 65 to 70, 24, 70 to 75, 38, 75 to 80, 16. So when the question is to draw a more than type OG, the question is to draw a more than type OG, you have to consider less than lower boundaries. We will consider lower boundaries and greater than cumulative frequency. You have to take lower boundaries and greater than cumulative frequencies. The lower boundaries are to the left of class intervals. Write it down. It is 50, 55, 60, 65, 70 and 75. Now greater than cumulative frequencies. For greater than cumulative frequencies should be added from bottom to the top. That is, the low frequency at the bottom is 16. Let us draw separate lines so that we don't get confused. 16, then addition, 16 plus 38 will give you 54. 54 plus 24 will give you 78. 78 plus 12 will give you 90. 90 plus 8 will give you 98. 98 plus 2 will give you 100. Now you have to draw the graph by considering lower boundaries on x-axis. Lower boundaries is taken on x-axis and greater than cumulative frequencies on y-axis. So till the graph is starting from 50 and x-axis 75. Till 50 the graph it is empty. So you have to draw a kink here and write here 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. On y-axis, take again 10 table. It is very easy for you. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90 and 100. Now starting the plotting, the value on x-axis is 50 and y-axis it is 100. So 50 on x-axis is plotted with 100 on y-axis. Mark the point. 55 on x-axis is marked with 98 on y-axis. 2 lines below 100. 60 on x-axis is equal to 90 on y-axis. 65 on x-axis is equal to 78 on y-axis. 70 is equal to 54 after 54 lines. 75 is 16. That's 4 lines below 20. You have to join like this with a smooth curve. More than type ogive will be always a falling graph. More than ogive is always a falling graph. It is connected properly. It is always a falling graph. Always you have to draw with smooth hand. Now coming to the scale, on x-axis 1 cm equal to 5 units, on y-axis 1 cm equal to 10 units as usual. This is how you have to draw more than type ogive. Let us recap once again. The table will be given horizontally. We have to make a vertical table of class interval and frequencies. Frequency, and whenever they give number of yield, that has to be considered as frequencies. Draw the lower boundaries. For lower boundaries, you have to take left side of the class intervals. Greater than cumulative frequencies are top to bottom addition of frequencies. 16 starting with the bottom 16, then add 16 plus 38, then 54 plus 24, 78 plus 12, 90 plus 8, 98 plus 2 will be given 100. Take lower boundaries on x-axis and greater than cumulative frequencies on y-axis and plot the graph. After that, you have to join with a smooth curve. This will end the modal type ogive. Thank you.